Students, I am giving you 4 time period of a day, and you have to answer me when you feel the most hotter. Is it 10 a.m.? Is it 12 noon? Is it 2 p.m.? Is it 4 p.m.? You will answer 2 p.m. Why not 12 noon? At 12 noon, the sun is directly over our head. Why it is not hotter than 2 p.m.? Let me answer your question. When the sun is on our head, over our head, the land acquires that energy, that radiation, and when 2 p.m. reaches, then whatever atmosphere, it got totally hot, and the long wave radiation from the ground itself, the ground emits the long wave radiation, and that also warm up again the atmosphere. So that's why in 2 p.m. you feel more hotter than 12 noon.